Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing feestacks.com. So I'm just going to say this right off the bat that this website is a scam, since there is another website that exactly looks like this, and I'm just going to open up here in a minute. Just give me a second. And this is the website that has the exact same layout as this one. It's just onerules.pro, and as you can see, they're just identical. They just changed the name to it. Please guys, don't fall for websites like these, since they're very obviously a scam. As you can see, they're introducing gambling, promoting gambling, and they have different players online. They just change that accordingly. So as you can see, they have this Tesla right here to like entice you to play, and then as you can see here, malware tips, they are exposed. So as you can see, this is what it's supposed to look like. As you can see, the logo is the same. There are a lot of different websites like these, as you can see. So fake celebrity endorsements, which is very obvious, inflated users, which is this one, and no verification requirements, and a lot more. So please guys, do not fall for websites like these. They're very obviously a scam. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.